How to delete Trust Wallet account permanently. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Trust Wallet application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now from here, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right. Now under settings, you can find the wallets option. Simply tap on that. Here it will show you all the wallets that you have created. So in order to delete, what you want to do is swipe left this main wallet. Now the option of delete will appear. Tap on delete. So once you delete this wallet, your Trust Wallet account will also be deleted. If you want to delete your account permanently, then you can delete the wallet by tapping on delete. And there you go, your Trust Wallet account has been deleted. So that is how you can delete Trust Wallet account permanently. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.